cabinetsforsure.com. That's cabinetsforsure.com. I'll show you how to put an upper cabinet together using a bracket system for a lot of your homeowners. Brackets are already on here to save time. There's little pre-drilled holes. Okay, simply slide it right on top of the bracket into the groove and tighten your bracket down. Kind of help keep it all together. And then what I do also on these, since I can get to them right now, there's a little screw hole and run your screw into there. It helps ensure that it'll stay together. Alright. Grab this part right here, the bottom. Slide it in. And I do the other end. Okay, that leaves you one side to go. Make sure these are pushed all the way over. Makes it a little easier to put this last piece on. You got your brackets. Sometimes you got to loosen these in order to get them on this point. Just give it a pop. Got that one in. And then you pull this back a little bit, popping inside the bracket. Bracket down. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and put a screw in right there to help hold it. See the regular hole right there. Notice I just spin the cabinet. Like your bracket down. This bracket here is pretty tight, so I need to tighten it up. Squeeze it, screw in, tighten the brackets. And there's the basic assembly of your cabinet. Now all you have to do, slide your back in the groove, keep it straight. Slide it right in, square it up. You put your longer screws right into the back panel to hold the back panel on. Then I'll give it a spin. Very simple to do with the bracket system, no glue, just have yourself a drill. It makes it a little bit faster. Adjust your doors when you're done, or when you got your cabinet installed, do it then. Cabinetsforsure.com. Thank you.